Hey y'all, it's Mr. Thibodeau. So let's go ahead and let's jump into our work today. So we're doing lesson 48, subtracting mixed numbers with regrouping. Okay. So what does that mean? So first you're doing your mental math, you're doing your problem solving, then we're jumping to the new concept. So here's another separating problem about pies. There are 4 1/6 pies on the restaurant shelf. The server sliced one of the whole pies into sixths, and then the server removed 1 2/6 pies. So how many pies were left on the shelf, right? So you remove 1 to get 3, but then you also have to remove part of another to get that second sixth, right? So, and then you're left with 2 and 5/6. Okay, so what they're doing is they're basically trying to show you how to subtract mixed numbers. Okay, and a little bit about just like you would do with any subtraction, right? If you don't have enough in one column, you have to borrow from the other column. That's going to be the exact same thing here with these fractions. Okay, what you can do, the way I think about it, is let's actually do it this way so I can write and still. If you have 4 1/6 and you're subtracting 1 2/6, in order to do this, we have to turn this into a 3 and this into 6, 7. Okay, that's a 6 from, I'm getting a whole 6, 6 from over here. And then I'm also adding 1 that was already there. So now it's 7, 6. Now I can just subtract, right? So it's exactly the same thing that what you would do is if you had 41 minus 12, right? You would have to turn this into a 3, that into 11. 11 minus 2 gives you 9, right? 29, okay? Except instead of dealing with a ones column where we don't have enough in the ones column, we're dealing with a fraction. Okay, so 7 minus 5 gives me 5/6, and then 3 minus 1 gives me 2. Okay, that's one way to do it. They are showing you more example, like a different sort of slightly different thought process, but basically the same. And so that's what is happening there. Okay. Now, moving forward, if we were to, I think you can do the practice set just fine. So let's jump into the written practice. Okay. With the written practice, what you need to look for is, let's go ahead and I think it's relatively straightforward. Let's just have you do 1 through 29 odd. I think it's going to be fine. 1 through 29 odd. I don't think you're going to have any problems with this lesson. So 1 through 29 odd should be all for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Please feel free to send me an email. So far, none of you do, but I'm always available.